Before me telling about all of the mix-up pan scandal this week, I want to take this opportunity to tell you that I've been nominated for 2 Jamaica Blog Awards, 1 on the Best Overseas Vlog and 1 for Best Jamaican Video Blog. So please go over to JamaicaBlogAwards.org and vote. I'm going to put the link them down here, so because I know no custom for go all over the interweb, go look for them someday. So please vote. You can vote once a day, every day from now until January 14th. If you have iPod, iPad, iPhone, computer, or desktop, abacus, so you whatever you have, every device that you have, go click vote for me, please. Thank you. And now to scandal. Jesus have his mercy, giving thanks unto God, giving thanks unto God. My president is awake, bless God, my president is awake. You know what scandal? You know what scandal? You know see all of this something that happen? Alright, I'm going to tell you something now. A whole heap of things going in another episode here. First of all, you see that little girl there, Becky? The woman where they there with Oak, them find her and them for beat her up, them for do like what them did at the Oak, where them put the something over her face and pour the water upon her and make sure almost a drown. Yeah, them for do that to her. You know why? Not because she did shot fits, because she broke Oak out. You looking at Oak face? You see the pain in the Oak face? And at the last minute I got tell about her name is Kate. Like anybody could have care about her name at this point in time. My girl, you could have named super color fragilistic expalidocious. You could have named Bank of Jamaica and I give away bills. You could have named the Queen and I throw away pounds. We don't care what your name is. Nobody here likes you. Then again, somebody can't tell me why Mellie take up our good self, go forge people's signature. Go forge signature. Mellie, look here. Mellie, next time you make a plan, tell somebody about the plan before you execute the plan. You hear me? Because sometimes, I don't know if I the hormones or whatever, but sometimes you get a little bit ahead of yourself and you do some crazy types of things. You, Mellie, you need to sort out your life. But me tell you something, you know. I don't know how I feel about Mellie. Me not too love her. However, Mellie not let you down in the clutch. Mellie, you're never gonna find Mellie go off track. She nah go off track. If Mellie need to forge a signature, then she need to pay a doctor to say something did happen. Then she need to kill the doctor because the doctor try to take back them word. Mellie is going to do that because it's only one thing Mellie appreciate. She want to be first lady, and anything Mellie need to do, she do it. Mellie dry eye. You don't know Brooke from Bold and the Beautiful? Yeah, Brooke from Bold and the Beautiful. That is how Mellie coming. Dry eye, not now move across her face. You could have said, Mellie, me know say you kill a man. Mellie just got to take a deep breath and just tell you the next thing what she need to tell you. Draw the first lady card and go on. Or did you catch the wife and mate something between Olivia and Mellie? When Olivia did I tell Mellie say them need to move my boy go to Camp David, and Mellie did I disagree, and Olivia suck teeth and a cut and all of them type of something. She get hype, you know. She get hype, you know. True fits the under the little something there right now, and she knows she in chat because she have more media savvy now. Oh, Mellie have she get hype and a big up herself. And by the way, Edison, you're single. You see when Olivia give you that bye-bye a while ago, she tell you bye-bye like, oh, right now you're dep on the market. Like, oh, gongo dep on the market come Christmas time. I saw you just dep on the market and sing right now because Olivia done with you. Don't ever feel, Edison, that you can come here and try to threaten Olivia with law and all of those types of things. You need to understand that you're not a real person in this. You are a stand-in. You are the head of the Senate. Fitz is the head of the entire country. You are taking up space in Olivia's bed. Fitz is taking up space inside of her heart. You, Edison, are the ultimate filler. Nobody care what you want to do. And if you try to set any type of law after Olivia, then Fitz just straight down the law because I'm seeing him wake up right in time. And by the way, Olivia, you must take blame where it is due. Are you make Fitz did I sleep for so long? Are you make the man couldn't come out of the coma? You see all the shows start get drawn out and all of them something. Things start happening when I like Sally are moving picture look ugly looking picnic them coming at the White House and them something. Are you cause that because from time if you go up the little man? Long time if you go up the little man, but are you coming like you carry bad feelings to man when I coma? Olivia, can you carry a belly for somebody who is almost on the verge of that? You don't see that is completely redundant and inane. Don't do it again. You see how she got give him a little rub up like she put the good Remy pan him. She just rest up the Remy pan him chest so and just rub him down so and fish just get up. Me didn't know same did I get up. And you know how me know same did I get up? Because me did see Sai and my boy they go pick up the picnic and everybody know that Cyrus don't want that picnic into that house. So anything that Shonda Rhimes have to do to ensure that Cyrus don't have to carry that child into the house, she gonna do it. She make Fitz wake up right on time. Sally, you know I don't like you. You know I don't like you. I don't like you. The people watching this don't like you. Nobody like you. The only reason that we keep you here is because sometimes you rock like a mean houndstooth like suit, and sometimes we like oh your ear give it reminiscent of Portia, and we give you like patriotic feelings on him someday. But Sally, don't try to feel like you're gonna bring in any graphologists and them type of something if you come try go against anything where we I try to defend right now. Anything what we want happen, I go happen. Right now, scandal is a garrison. All of we in one scandal garrison. And Shonda Rhimes is writing on the behalf of the garrison. She's the voice of the garrison. So anything where we want to happen, it's going to happen. You are not going to be president of these United States of America because we don't want you, dear Sally. Pack up your something them. You look at Pashmina where you can't come fling down on the couch because you decide say you want to interv color pack it up. Nobody don't want you in there. Sally, next time, when them call and tell you that Fitz is alive and awake, take up your something and leave. Don't bother try bucket. And do not try to involve Hollis Dial in this because Dial, him need to go. Him need to go. Him have entirely too much power and him just need to go right now. Because everybody knows say I kill Dial and kill somebody. Jesus. So many things happen this week, Jesus. When they say them beat up my man? When they say them beat up my man? See, because this like a gal, Becky, but Kate. Them beat up my man. And you see how David Rosen for go down, they go save my man. When you see how my boy, the Columbus shot, I use up him face, him cute face for pan the little girl for this tracker and all of them something there. Or you notice not go on film storyline next season or watch out. Film storyline I go bust away. Him I go turn in a leave second, it's go cause all type of problem. Quinn, you're never gonna know your creation story. You're gonna be like a child with no daddy. You're never gonna know where you came from or how you got there. But you can continue keep looking because we're interested in watching you try. So to recap, Edison is now single and very likely now no longer working in Washington. Fitz is awake, but we know it not going to go down simple. So, my girl there, Mellie, is bringing up gender studies and talking now because she's a woman, she's thinking. I don't know why every time she talk about things, she have to pat the belly like a baby, I give her the power of thought or any of them type of something there. Sai and my boy there is never going to have a child, just ever. And Sally, walk yourself back over to the far side of the compound, which is where we custom to share people of your stature. That is where we're storing. No? Don't ever try to come against us again. Okay? The president is awake. All is right with the world. And we will regroup next week. Thank you. Bye-bye.